Greetings, friends, and welcome. Welcome to this seasonal journey with the kitchen witch and her garden. An invitation perhaps to pause in the year, to notice the natural world around you, and take a short and sweet journey somewhere in between meditation and story and reflection. These little in-between places are where we may find a little magic, perhaps. So as always, take your time. We're going to take just 10 minutes out of our day. And I will guide you through a few ideas, images, reflections on perhaps how the kitchen witch's garden may appear to us in this season. Close your eyes and rest, dear one, for you have travelled far through the seasons and through the year. Here at Yuletide, at first glance, there may seem little to be found in the hedgerow at this time of year, except those well-known evergreens, the red berries of holly and the white of mistletoe. The trees have shed their leaves, and frost sparkles on dawn grass. Morning hazes hang heavy over valleys, taking longer to dissipate on cold mornings. But food can still be found if you know where to look. Winter flavours are rich, dark and earthy. Chestnuts, mushrooms and winter squashes. And among the frosted hedgerows, the glow of crimson rosehips might still be seen in December, and sloes are thought to be at their best when picked just after the first frost. We can seek fungi, the oyster mushrooms and winter chanterelles in woodlands. You may also find in the British Isles the festive-sounding snowy waxcaps and scarlet elf cups. Whilst looking on the woodland floor, keep a keen eye for sweet chestnuts, a treat when roasted to bring out their sweet, nutty taste. Chestnuts are a perennially popular Christmas food, especially at Christmas markets and outdoor festive events, where you may smell the roasted nuts warming on little carts. Look out for their spining casings on the ground amongst the leaves of winter woodland floors. You can roast them at home and eat them warm. And if you have any left, they are a treat as part of Christmas stuffing. In the past, the winter dark would have held some trepidation and anxiety. A multitude of unknowns could leave people starving and cold. Although survival is less of a question now for many of us, there are still challenges of getting up in the dark. battling inclement weather, and the low light levels that can cause a lack of vitamin D and seasonal low moods. Much of folklore sees winter and dark nights with a sense of apprehension, to be approached mindfully. And with this energy of mindfulness, we have an invitation to explore. What does the dark of winter bring up for you? Where can you shine a light in the darkness? What could you let fall away like the dry winter leaves from a tree? What are you trying to keep up that is more draining than joyful? How might you rest and create coziness in celebration of the long, dark nights? This is a wonderful time to light candles, use warming incense and essential oils, to wrap up warm on windy, rainy nights with music and a book, games with friends, or sitting in circle and telling stories. We can, in our own way, enjoy and embrace a little hibernation this winter and this Yule. And now, as we stretch and move, perhaps we'll take some deeper breaths. And we will return from our own little hibernation of meditation and pause and reflection. And I hope that the long, dark nights of Yule bring you warmth and comfort and an invitation to rest. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again soon as the wheel turns. Thank you, blessed be, and namaste.